Have you ever thought, what can you do with an empty frame? Well, you can create a business out of it. I'm Ivy and I am the owner of NordlyStudio. I sold over 33,000 mockups in the past 2 years. And today I want to invite you to take a part in my course where I will teach you how to create mockups that sell. So what will you learn inside the course? You will learn how to create photo mockups or AI-based mockups, also video mockups. You will learn how to shoot them or how to generate them with AI. But not only that, I wanted to make a really comprehensive course. You will also learn how to create any mockup based on any POD product. So I will show you how to take POD photos, put them into AI, and then generate images that are photorealistic, that have depth, and you can easily transform them in Photoshop, knowing how to use smart objects, smart layers. So then, like creating a mockup with a tumbler or with a cup. Yeah. Previously, you had to buy those. Now you can just, copy images from POD suppliers and then in AI create easily any mockup you want. So you can create also t-shirt mockups. And this will be a tool that will help you just open any business with mockups. It has never been so easy before. And I have something special for you because you are my community. You know me from Ivy System. Unfortunately, I'm working with the lawyer to get back my Instagram account. I want to do something special for you. And for the first 50 founder members, you will get the course in a discounted price, and it will only be valid till tomorrow, till the evening. So please be sure to check the links below and see you around.